Hello, another one of my swatch series. Today I'm going to be swatching out Tim Holtz Distress Oxides. The way that I organize all of my swatches is with this plug and play system. I will show you in the end the finished product, and I love it because you can cut them out and you can rearrange them. I like to keep mine in like a rainbow order. That way if I get a new one, I won't be all bent out of shape if I have to move them around because it's really easy to do so. I'll show you the finished product in the end, so make sure you stay tuned. This is what it looks like when it's all cut out and with the Velcro pieces behind it. So if you do have any supplies that you'd like me to swatch out, let me know down below in the comments so I can see if I have those.